Did you know that savings schemes offered by the Government of India receive a rate revision every quarter? The government has announced the latest interest rates applicable to small savings schemes for the period 1 January 2021 to 31 March 2021. The government has decided to retain the same interest rates from previous quarter. That's fair enough, right? Rather than having a rate cut? Hi, I'm Apurva from ClearTax. In this video, I'll be sharing a brief description of the 9 small savings schemes offered along with their latest interest rates that is applicable to the quarter 4 of financial year 2020-21. Let's get started. 1. Post Office Savings Account. The minimum deposit to open this account is Rs 500 and in multiples of Rs 100 thereafter with no maximum limit. Earn interest at 4% per annum on your savings, which gets compounded annually. Interest income up to Rs 40,000 per financial year is not taxable. The limit for senior citizens is Rs 50,000 per financial year. 2. Post Office Time Deposit. The minimum deposit required to open a post office time deposit is Rs 1,000. The interest rate for 1 year, 2 year and 3 year tenures is 5.5% per annum, while that for a 5 year tenure is 6.7% per annum. Opening a post office term deposit with a 5 year tenure will give you income tax benefits under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. 3. Post Office 5 year recurring deposit. The account comes with an interest rate of 5.8% per annum and is compounded quarterly. Make a minimum monthly deposit of Rs 100 and in multiples of 100 thereafter to open the account. Loan facility is available after completing 12 installments and premature withdrawal is allowed after completing 3 years. 4. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, that is SCSS. Senior citizens can park their retirement funds in this account and receive compounded interest once every quarter at the rate of 7.4% per annum. However, the account must be opened within 1 month from the date of receipt of retirement benefits. Investing up to Rs 1.5 lakh in this account qualifies for deduction under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. Over the lifetime, a maximum of Rs 15 lakh can be invested in this account. Though the tenure of the account is 5 years, it can be extended for another 3 years. The interest income earned by senior citizens beyond the limit of Rs 50,000 per financial year is taxable under Section 80 TTB. 5. Post Office Monthly Income Account. You can make a minimum deposit of Rs 1,000 up to Rs 4.5 lakh in single account and Rs 9 lakh in joint account. Earn interest at 6.6% per annum that is payable monthly. The tenure of the account will be 5 years. The interest earned is taxable and no income tax deductions are available on investing in this account. 6. National Savings Certificate (NSC). NSC allows you to open an account with a deposit as low as Rs 1,000 and does not have a maximum limit. Earn interest at 6.8% per annum compounded annually. The interest is paid at maturity after completing the tenure of 5 years. Any number of accounts can be opened under the scheme and the deposits qualify for deduction under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. 7. Public Provident Fund (PPF). Invest an amount ranging from Rs 500 up to Rs 1.5 lakh either in lump sum or in installments and earn interest at 7.1% per annum compounded yearly. Note that the tenure of the account is 15 years. Make a minimum deposit of Rs 500 per financial year to keep the account active. Deposits made in this account qualify for claiming deductions under Section 80C of the Income Tax Act. 8. Kisan Vikas Patra (KVP). Open the account with a minimum deposit of Rs 1,000 and earn interest at 6.9% per annum. The significance of this account is that the amount you deposit will be doubled at the end of the tenure. Note that the tenure of the account is subject to change with variations in interest rate. If you open the account during the 4th quarter of the financial year 2020-21, it takes 124 months to double your deposit. The maturity proceedings are not taxable, but the interest earned is taxable. 9. Sukanya Samruddhi Yojana (SSY). This account aims to give a better financial future to the girl child. Make a minimum deposit of Rs 250 and a maximum of Rs 1.5 lakh in a financial year to get the benefits of the account. An interest rate of 7.6% per annum is offered and is compounded annually. Deposits made in this account qualify for deduction under Section 80C. The account requires you to make deposits for a period of 15 years from the date of opening the account. Based on the account features, interest rates offered, and the tenure of the account, pick the right product for you that aligns well with your financial goals. I hope the video was informative. Thank you.